reschedule my date with Jessica to next week. Yeah, that's fine. So, I came up with this great idea. Might be the dumbest thing I've ever come up with, but kind of throwing it out there. So, you know how like there's people that have their own channel or whatever on YouTube thing? Well, I've decided to come up with this thing called channel battle, channel battle, channel battle. So a channel battle is where it's kind of like truth or dare, but it's between different like YouTube channels. So, for instance, I'm going to challenge the Chronicles of Steen for this week, and my challenge to you, Steenus, is what kind of crazy noise can you make? Like animal noise, mystical creature, like planet noises of Mars crap, stuff that... Okay, whatever. You get the idea. But I'll start things off. I'll do my own. So I'm going to do a little thing from Star Wars. Alright, that's a little bit of Chewbacca for you. Let's see what you got, Steen. Bring it. Also, I came up with this cool idea. What if there was a channel battle between the angry ginger guy that everyone knows on YouTube and the girl that tries to sing, and then she gets like really pissed off the whole time and is just like screaming every few minutes? I think that'd be a cool channel battle if they like, one of them was like, just said something really funny to piss off the other one, and then they were screaming, yelling, angry ginger little girl. Yeah, you get the idea.